Hello everybody, so second video for today, this time about the traditional markets. So for crypto, please check out my other video. So for the Fear and Greed Index, we're currently at extreme fear. So if we have a look at the charts, then we have the S&P 500 here. Something to be worried about? I don't think so for the moment. So as usual, when we pull back, just like here, if we take the marker, so we had these highs, and then you see you come back to retest this high as support. And currently with this green box, you can see that we're currently doing the same. So for now, I think it's reasonably fine. It's just it's a correction, which is fine. Yeah. Okay. It's quite. Let's see from the top. We're currently almost 5% down. But looking at the structure of price behavior. It looks fine. It looks fine. So let's see volume. Yeah, increase in volume. Okay, because we did come up with lower volume, so you have this divergence. So less and less people are interested in buying, and then you get a lot of selling pressure, which seems to be absorbed for the moment. Let's go to the monthly, and then maybe let's hide this, because I would like to point something out, and that is, look here, we had the crash from last year, so we were making higher highs, and then all of a sudden we did come down. So this was a clear black swan event. But then if we go back to 2007, then let's zoom in a bit. So here, it's actually not a, let's take a better chart with enough history. Maybe the SPY. So 2007 on the monthly, there you can see we reach a certain high here around 154. First time rejection, second time rejection, we did come a bit lower. Retry, fourth time, fifth time, and then we did come down. So this doesn't look like a black swan event, but is controlled to the downside, I would say. So if we would go controlled down from where we are now, then I would see us at least 6 to 7 months ranging in the same area. Let's see the dot-com bubble. Here we see something similar. You see we come up here to, or even a bit higher, 152, rejection, next month rejection, come down, 2 months below it, up again, rejection, next month again. We could close around that level, and then the next month we're coming down again. So this is 2, 4, 6, 7 months. 7 months that we were ranging. So since we don't have a black swan event now, many people are fearful because they think, yeah, this new variant will lock us down again, and this is all priced in. This is not a black swan event. So if the market would come down, then I would pay attention whether we start ranging at the current top. So let's have a look. So I would say we would look at the 459 levels. So rejection, rejection, rejection. So we got rejected 3 times. So we might come lower again, around these levels, the 400, 27, 28. We might come up for a retest, and then I think we're good for a short. But now it's too soon. If history repeats itself, then 3 months is too short. All right, that's it for the S&P. Then the gold trade. So this one is still fine. Here we are still in the green. And then silver versus euro. Also, we're still in the green. So the setup is still valid. It's a good moment to load up again, because your risk to reward is getting better when you step in here rather than the top we recently had. Then, Australian versus Singaporean dollar. This one just got stopped out. I think like 1 hour ago. I got my position closed. This was based from the harmonic. It was this one, the deep crab. So we reached take profit 1 and now closed out. So this one we can remove. DXY. Also nothing new here for the moment. So here we are consolidating around this level. Then the SPY versus gold. Also the same here again. We're currently again at the same highs where we failed to break out. So here, it looks like we finally might see gold outperforming the S&P 500. So this is also one to watch. So if we extend the green one here, the support line, it starts to have difficulties. We also start to see an increase in volume. Deutsche Bank, the problem bank, the one which is too bad to fail. So here we're coming down again, so this is not good. IWM, this one is also stopped out because we closed below the last low. So we didn't reach the take profit level. I took this trade with options, and they did expire already last week, so I could take some profits on this one. But if I would have traded it just by trading the ETF, I wouldn't have had any profit. So this one we can also remove. Johnson & Johnson. This one is getting clear. So this harmonic pattern, we can put it here, and then the second one as well. So they are both valid because we reached our last high above the 0.382. So the Fibonacci we can remove. And this one, I don't know. Yeah, let's remove this one as well. So we didn't reach the golden pocket, but that's fine. So also here, for the shares, you can step in on any push up, and then your stop loss would be above the C point. And then, so we're looking down to this region, 140. LQD, also here, new lower high. Now we're forming a cipher pattern, bearish one, so it means we will come down from here as well. GDX for the moment, not much. This one is forming a cipher pattern or a butterfly, both are valid, so they are bullish. So here we're looking again for more to the upside. Shanghai Composite Index. Let's remove the harmonic patterns. So here it looks like we're coming to retest the monthly as resistance. So if we fail to close and stay above this high, then we're looking for a bigger move to the downside. So let's see which one. Yeah, if you would take this from an Elliott wave perspective, then we have this high, this low, and then this high again, and this one we need to reverse. So and this, I assume this is the one-to-one extension. Let's color this one, shall we? Blue, yeah. So here we have the one-to-one extension. So if this one fails, then we can see further to the downside just below point A. So this would be the 3,300 region. Then the Hang Seng Index, also here we're going further down, still under the resistance of this trend line. And then we have the monthly potentially support over here. So this is a level to watch. And let's check out what this green line is. Let's see on the monthly. Okay, so that's a support line. So to connect, when you connect this low to this low, and then you can see that it lines up close to this monthly at 22,769. So we might find support over there, and it would still confirm the bullish uptrend. Although we lost how much? So where we are now, 30% down, but we're still bullish. It's a bit like, yeah, like cryptos. US 10-year treasury, nothing special here. Oh, let's take the daily, because I think there was some harmonic. Yeah, here we have a Gartley or a cipher. Gonna have to see which one it will be, because we're gonna have to see how much longer the fear is in the market. So maybe this one might come further down. Yeah, and the 30-year treasury, this one I closed out. So take profit one was taken. So this alert can be removed. Yes. Yeah, actually everything on this chart can be removed. So we had the harmonic pattern, but then this low got taken out, and quite significantly. So everything can be removed here. And then crude oil. I think here we bottomed. The reason being, and that's something I see very often in the crypto market, you sell off hard, and then you reach a moment of maximum pain. Look at the volume. So we have this high selling volume. So over here. And what happens then is then some kind of pause, and then they will sell off again. And then you will see that, okay, this one closed green, but while it is selling off, you would have seen that the volume is lower than this candle. So it's like they are causing maximum pain, and then they push it even a little bit further to see, like, is there more? Is there more that can come? No, there's not enough volume. Okay, let's switch and turn bullish. And I think it's the same what happened here. Let's remove this one. So you have this maximum pain, then the next one we didn't come lower, and then the third day an extra push. But look, even with the buying volume, because this is a nice bullish candle, even with the nice buying volume, we don't reach the volume level like we had 3 days ago. So I think for this one, this is the bottom, and it also lines up nicely with this green support line. So you connect this low with this low. You can see the first time we rejected off from it, and then yesterday we pushed it even a bit lower to retest it, and we're good to go again. So yeah, that's my take for the moment. I will have a look in the coming days whether somehow I can discuss some new trades, because I'm closing more and more, but I'm not adding any. So yeah, also when we look at the turtle trading strategy, there's nothing, there's no buying opportunity yet for the moment for crude oil. All right, that was it for me today. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.